Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today I will tell you how to steal brain rot tips and tricks. Okay, the first step is to simply buy traps. Traps are very important if you put them in your base or in your place where you have your brain rots. Number two tip is to go and buy a weapon. You have many weapons in the game, so you can purchase any one of them. Number three tip is to always close or lock your base when you are going to steal a brain rot from someone else. By clicking on the red button in your base, you will be able to lock your own base so that no one can steal your base brain rots. Step number 4 is to simply avoid going to steal any brain rot while the other player is in his base. Because if you did that, you'll probably have to fight the person that you are going to steal. And finally, the final tip, if you steal any brain rot, try to stick to the wall till you go to your base and deliver the brain rot that you have stolen. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.